Hello, my dear student. Let's start our revision. Question number 1. Find the result. 601,550 plus 24,316. As we know, we start with ones. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 5 plus 1 after 5, 6. 5 plus 3 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 4 after 4, 5. 0 plus 2 equals 2. And here 6 plus what? Yes, this digit is 0. Then 6 plus 0 equals 6. The second problem, 931,897 minus 495,704 equals what? As we know, we start with ones and 7 minus 4. Don't forget, we count from down to reach number up. 7 minus 4. Count after 4 to reach number 7. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. We have 3 fingers. 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0 equals 9. And 8 minus 7. We count from digit down to reach the digit up. Count after 7 to reach 8. After 7, 8. 1. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5. Can I count from 5 to reach number 1? No, can't be. So borrow 1 from 3. Excellent. 3 will be 2 and 1 will be 11. Then now I can count from 5 to reach number 11. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 fingers. Then write 6. And now 2 minus 9. Can I count from 9 to reach number 2? No, can't be. So borrow 1 from 9. 9 will be 8 and 2 will be 12. Now I can count from 9 to reach 12. After 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. The last digit, 8 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. Then the result is 436,193. The third problem, 854,167 minus 481,959. As we know, we start with ones. And don't forget, we count from down to up. 7 minus 9. Can I count from 9 to reach 7? No, can't be. Borrow 1 from 6. 6 will be 5 and 7 will be 17. Now I can count from 9 to reach 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have 8 fingers. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 1 minus 9. Can I count from 9 to reach number 1? No, can't be. Borrow 1 from 4. 4 will be 3 and 1 will be 11. 11 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11. 2. 3 minus 1. Can I count from 1 to reach 3? Yes, I can. Count after 1 to reach 3, after 1, 2, 3. 2. 5 minus 8. Can I count from 8 to reach 5? No, can't be. Borrow 1 from 8. It will be 7 and 5 will be 15. Now I can count from 8 to reach 15. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 7 fingers. The last digit, 7 minus 4. I can count from 4 to reach 7. After 4, 5, 6, 7, I have 3 fingers. The fourth problem, 243,118 plus, look at the sign, 612,741. We start with ones. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 1 plus 4 after 4, 5. 7. 1 plus 7 after 7, 8. 3 plus 2 after 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 after 4, 5. 2 plus 6 after 6, 7, 8. The answer is 855,859. The fifth problem, 614,412 minus 489,361. Look at the sign. We will make minus. And don't forget, start with ones and we count from down to up. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 minus 6, can I count from 6 to reach 1? No, can't be. Borrow 1 from 4. 4 will be 3 and 1 will be 11. Now I can count from 6 to reach 11. Then count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 5 fingers. And 3 minus 3 equals 0. 4 minus 9, can I count from 9 to reach 4? No, can't be. Borrow 1 from 1. 1 will be 0 and 4 will be 14. Count after 9 to reach 14. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 5 fingers. 0 minus 8. Can I count from 8 to reach 0? No, can't be. Borrow 1 from 6. 6 will be 5 and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 8 after 8, 9, 10. 2. 5 minus 4 equals 1. The answer is 125,051. The next, 141,321 plus 311,606. Start with ones. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 6 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 2 equals 2. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 1 plus 3 equals 4. The answer is 452,927. The last problem, 346,583 plus 431,473. We start with ones. 3 plus 3, it's a doubles equals 6. 8 plus 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then I'll put 5 and carry up 1 over 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 4, family of 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Then I will put 0 and carry up 1 over 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And 4 plus 3 equals 7. And 3 plus 4 equals also 7. The answer is 778,056. Question number 2. Complete the following. The first array, he asked me to count how many rows in this array. Let's count how many rows. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 rows. Of what? Each row contains how many objects? Each row contains 2 objects. Then this array is written as 3 rows of 2. The second array, he asked me to count how many rows. Let's count how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 rows. Of what? Each row has how many objects? Yes, each row has 5 objects. Then this array can be written as 4 rows of 5. The next one also asked me to count how many rows. Let's count. 1, 2. Then we have 2 rows, and each row has 3 objects. Then this array can be written as 2 rows of 3. The next, he asked me to count how many columns. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns, and each column has 3 objects. Then this array can be written as 3 columns of 3. The next, let's count how many columns. 1, 2. This array can be written as 2 columns of each column has 5 objects. Then this array can be written as 2 columns of 5. The last one asked me to count how many columns here. I have just 1 column. Then I have 1 column of this column contain just 2 objects. Then this array can be written as 1 columns of 2. Find the total item of each array using skip counting strategy. How to count the number of items in each array. The first array, I can use the rows or the column to skip counting or to find the total items of each array. The first array, I will use the row. The row, each row has 3 objects. So I will skip counting by 3. Let's skip count. Yes, let's start with 3, 6, 9, 12. So the total number here is 12. The second array, I will use the column to skip counting to find the total of the items. Each column has 2. Each column has 2 items, so I will skip counting by 2. Let's start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then the total number is 10. The third one, I also use, I will use the column to count how many objects here. Each column has two items, so I will start with 2 and skip counting by 2. So I will start with 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So the total number here is 14. And the last one, I will use the rows. Each row has 6 items. So I will start with 6 and skip counting by 6. Start with 6, 6, skip counting by 6. So I will write 6, 12, 18. Then the total number here is 18. Complete. The first array. How many equal rows? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 equals row. And how many elements in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items in each row. So how many in all? I will use the rows, and each row has 5 items. So I will start with 5 and skip counting by 5. 5, 10, 15. So the total number here is 15. The next, how many equal column? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 equal row column. And how many store in each column? Excellent. Three stars in each column. And then how many stars in all? If you will use the row, yes, we will start with 6 and skip counting by 6. Then I will write 6, 12, 18. Or if you start with 3 and skip counting by 3, then the answer will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Complete the table. Here we have groups. The first one, I have 2 groups. And each group has 2 apples. And here he asked me to write the addition sentence. Addition sentence means I will write plus. I have in the first group 2 items and the second group also 2 items. Then I will write 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And the multiplication sentence here, I can write it by finding the repeated number. The repeated number here is 2. 2 plus 2. Then I will write 2. And 2 is repeated 2 times. Then I will write 2 by 2. 2 by 2 equals 4. The second one, I have 2 groups. Each group has 3 items. Each group has 3 items. The first group has 3 and the second one has 3. Then the addition sentence here is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And the multiplication sentence here, I will use the sign by. As we know, the repeated number here is 3 and it's repeated 2 times. So I will write 3 by 2. 3 by 2 equals 6. The third, I have three groups and each group has 5 items. I have three groups of 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. And the multiplication sentence here, as we know, 5 is repeated and repeated 3 times. Then I will write 5 by 3 equals 15. The last one, I have 4 groups. Each group has 4 items. Then I will write the addition sentence as 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Then 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. And the multiplication sentence will be 4 is repeated and repeated 4 times. Then I will write 4 by 4, which is equals 16. Complete the table. The first array has how many rows? Yes, let's count 1, 2, 3. I have 3 rows, and each row contains 4 items. Then the array can be written as 3 rows of 4. The addition sentence here, I will write it as 4 plus 4 plus 4, which equals 12. And the multiplication sentence here, as we know, 4 is repeated. Repeated how many times? Repeated 3 times. So I will write 4 by 3 equals 12. The second array, let's count how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 rows and each row contains 5 items. So the array will be 4 rows of 5. Let's write the addition sentence. The first row has 5 objects. Then I will write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So the addition sentence here is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. Let's write the multiplication sentence. 5 here is repeated 4 times. So I will write 5 by 4 equals 20. The last one, let's count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 rows of what? Yes, each row contains 4 items. So this array is written as 4 rows of 4. Let's write the addition sentence. The first row has 4 objects. Then I will write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. And the multiplication sentence here, 4 is repeated 4 times. So I will write 4 by 4 equals 16. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.